Hi guys, my name is Robert Baldinger. At the time of recording this, I have 0 subscribers on my channel. Starting from 0 was super scary, and I spent the winter making the tutorials I love to do, and the response was fantastic. So here's a few behind the scene clips from 25 that I haven't shown before, and it all started with a letter from Dave.
Dear Robert, I'd love to extend an invitation for you to join me on a writing adventure here in Texas.
There he is.
Hello.
Movie has started. It's 3:30 in the morning. Frankfurt, we have already found the look that we're looking for here.
One was a personal interview where they talked about this. Hopefully we can welcome you to Sweden.
Yes, it will happen. It's just a matter of time.
Finally, we got some use for you, Johan.
Thank you. I'm gonna remember that when you're gonna ask for pictures for your videos.
Be very careful. I was going to try to put a skid plate on, but I haven't done that yet.
But it's a V-strom, but what size?
650.
650. Flagpole.
Why don't you squeeze it between your
happy.
ass cheeks on your badoon ass or
Yeah,
what did you call it?
Can we do it over? Yeah. Just go, man.
I posted a design from Twisted Sister on my Instagram story, and I just got a message from my fiance saying just, what the fuck?
Take them to go.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's, yeah, you can buy beer in them with, that's nice.
You have something in the nose.
Yeah, you do.
You do.
Free as bird.
You got it. So,
Yeah.
and I know you've been doing this all videoing the whole time.
Yeah. Nice
Feeling
shower.
good?
Feeling good. I'm feeling it.
Yes.
Charging. Oh, he doesn't wanna. There it is. Right, let's hit the town.
Morning sunshine.
Getting any good pictures?
We have the cover bar and we have the cowboy
Yeah,
iron steeds.
yeah. So we're heading for pancake breakfast now.
Well, you guys are. Can't do gluten.
Oh yeah, you're heading for the lettuce and tomatoes.
Yeah, exactly. They're more
Yeah.
Stockholm friendly breakfast.
Yeah. Maybe they have something vegan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably.
I'm not sure. I mean, what if there's a car?
Watch. I'm gonna be in the middle of the road.
I'll watch. There's a car coming right now. Yep.
Guys, if you can you go in the middle of the road?
One on each side?
It doesn't matter. Yeah, one on each side of the yellow.
Next to me. And then we pass you one on either side of it.
Yeah, that would be very nice, not hitting me. Hand down the aquarium,
In a
pulling
quarter
up
mile,
an
turn left
octopus,
on
just
Beach Avenue.
chopping up like off a leg or whatever, tentacle, whatever you call it, puts the guy down in the back and walks into the kitchen with the...
Nice.
Yeah, that was like the most disturbing shit I ever seen. Yeah.
I'll hide this.
Now we are recording.
All right. And I never had an oyster. All right.
They're coming in low to the right here, guys. Watch out.
Now we're talking.
Ja. blue.
Yeah, I had the
Sweet.
extra upgrade.
You did?
Ready to ride?
Let's go, fellow travelers.
I got my scuba gear ready. I got the snorkel, the little flipper.
What happened to Dave?
Here I am.
Yeah, just pass. Nice.
So, Robert, how do you like Chewy's with the Elvis fried chicken and boom boom sauce and Shiner Bach?
Oh yeah. I could live on this thing, but I would grow a bit, I guess. But yeah, super nice.
Yeah.
It's a lot of hunka burning love.
Right on. Shout out to Elvis.
Perfect, and then you're in the picture also. I need to get it open first. You come closer. Oh, we're in. We're in. Oh, almost like a little jewelry bag. Yeah. All right. Oh, a chain.
Oh, yeah.
All right. I mean, the band, the brothers.
The Three Amigos. Where are you right now?
Huh?
Where are you right now?
He's just looping.
Yep, rolling.
Like that.
Yeah.
Vänta. Det gick ju ingenting. Du hackade.
Oh.
Vi tar 2 steg.
Okay, we take 2 steps.
Yeah.
Are you rolling?
Rolling.
Yeah. So you can be mine. All right, the influencers are going on a trip. Nice shirt, man.
With the insurance company.
Okay, Dragos, we're riding again.
We're riding again, my buddies, my friends, my brothers from Sweden. Up. Dragos. Turn around and take the right.
Oh,
What
I just.
Try to turn.
But det luktar ni. Här kan vi Graham Jarvis långjumpa.
Okej, jag filmar. Du loggar här lite då.
Det känns som att gör vi det här så äventyrar man resten av resan.
Connection lost.
Oh, hello doggy. Ha. Men hörru.
Hörru du, vi ska ha lite content här då.
Här kan du inte parkera, vet du.
Fuck, han går emot oss.
Ja, men stanna inte då.
Men vilka idioter.
Titta vad jag hittade.
Ja, jag såg den där. Det var bara en tidsfråga.
Did you ever see the Nomad Sweden YouTube channel?
The what, sorry?
Nomad Sweden? Did you ever see?
No.
Let's do like that. Hey! All right.
Life's good, huh?
Life is good. Den här resan är helt jävla crazy. Hela strumporna kommer med. Ja men vad kul. Hej,
Hi Vanessa.
Robert.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm good.
I don't like it at all.
Hampton Inn, good. Good job, guys. Not a shitty hotel, good.
Alright, let's go for the test ride. That's how good that works. Oh yeah. Welcome to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. And behind me I have the Atlantic Ocean. In front of me I have... Nej, vi tar det här. Welcome to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Hey. Welcome to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina.
I'm for sure going to get arrested for this. So your job is to get in that left lane. Isn't this what 12-year-olds are supposed to be doing and not fucking adults? Oh, there's a cop. There's a cop. Good job, Rob. Good fucking job. Good fucking job, dude. Abort, abort, abort. Yeah.
I'm here to film people, so you better get used to it. Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. I got a ride today to the restaurant. Guess by who?
Sam Hill. The real Sam Hill. Yeah, the oldest son of a bitch in the world. Hi guys.
I had a big mechanical problem here. The Swedish flag was bent.
It got bent?
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
Yeah, it cracked
can't
by
do.
this stem, so yeah.
It's better zip tie and...
Yeah.
New here, want to try something exciting?
I'm new.
You're
He's
new.
new.
Want to try some peasant balls too? What do you want to try?
Some...
Peasant balls?
Explain what that is.
Balls. That is legitimately what they're... I'm not making it up, I promise.
I think I have a photo moment here. Yeah, go on, do what you... Yeah.
Where's the valet service?
Hi, man.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
How was your cannonball?
It was great. It was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah, you ready to race me back to Kitty Hawk right now?
Now? Okay. Right.
From the bottom of my heart, thank you for sticking with me for 25. It's been an unrealistic, fantastic year for me with the channel, the trips, the meets and greets and events. So I really look forward to 26. There's going to be more rides, more tutorials. And yeah, I look forward to meeting some of you guys, at least on the trails and bike shows and perhaps on the upcoming trips. So we'll see. Yeah, ride your rides, live your life the best that you can. And we do that by riding, of course. So see you soon, I guess. Yeah. Cheers. Bye-bye.